Yo dudes, welcome back. I haven't posted anything in forever, and honestly my game dev work has been on hold. Generally these reasons being like mental health issues, and that's just living in America in the 2020s, am I right? Like it's getting pretty rough for everyone. A lot of the time I spent between where I was and where I'm at now, it's been me working a lot of 9 to 5 jobs or just sitting around and doing nothing, playing games and relaxing. And honestly, that break time has been great, but I had a bunch of tutorials set up for game dev and just don't know what happened to them. Honestly, I thought I had written them. I didn't get that far. I wanted to continue with Godot tutorials. However, Godot 4 is coming out sooner than later, and it's changing a ton of stuff, like a lot of major stuff. So there's no point in spending plenty of hours on making these tutorials that will be outdated by possibly the end of the year. I know the beta's out, I believe, right now, so it's getting there. So, we're going to be looking at Pocket Platformer. It's essentially a tool like Mario Maker, except you can actually export and publish games from it. It's pretty nice. And it's a really good way to just get something going. If you're just starting out, or if you want to focus more on design than back-end development and getting your game running before you can even really work on the game. And it's a nice, fun way to enjoy game dev. Like, you can even, grab a kid, grab your kid, grab your friends, grab someone who doesn't know anything about game design, toss them in, and spend a couple days making something fun. There's a lot of reasons you can use this tool, and a lot of ways you'll have fun with it. Plus, at the end, you'll create something that's actually a game that you made, and you can share it with your friends, your family, and just put it out there for people to play all over the world. You'll also find all the games I've shown in this pinned comment, which is one because it's not a whole lot out on this. So I have 2 games for this whole tutorial set. But they'll all be in the pinned comment below. These new videos are going to be quite short as I can make them, short and to the point. YouTube won't like them, they probably won't do well in the algorithm, and I don't really care about that. I care about doing my job right, doing what I want to do right, making this content correctly in my vision. And I think that doing these shorter videos will help get them out overall, get them edited, thrown out into the wild. Have people watch them, not be overwhelmed. When you see a tutorial, it's the basics, and it's 30 minutes long or 50 minutes long, it's really daunting for newcomers. Which in the most time, it's just filler or things that didn't really have to be in that video. You can also join the Discord server for Pocket Platformer. I'll also be pinned in the comments below along with Twitter. Right now, it's about, I think, over around 50-ish people, and everyone is really nice. People are working on titles with the tool, helping develop it via bug reports and modifying the tool itself with the source code. So it's pretty sweet. It is something that you think you have the time to or if you want to see what it does and mess with it and tinker with it, just jump right aboard, hop on, and check out the next video. And if you want to continue seeing these videos like this, hit subscribe. I have more content than this coming out as well. You can check out some of my previous content. That's gonna be more of where I'm gonna be going in the future of this stuff. So yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.